so many thoughts on this book. I mean, just look at the number of tabs, okay? It's hard to even know where to begin. And one little Instagram reel is not gonna cover it. So you're gonna get an entire week of the Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes and all of my thoughts. But I wanna start with this. The biggest complaint I've heard about this book is that the second half feels weird and maybe slow. And I felt the same way at first, but I think I've figured out why. You see, in the second half of this book, Snow goes to District 12, and we meet the rest of the Covey. So this book is told from Snow's limited point of view. And Snow, in this scenario, really is an outsider. Now, it's by his own choice that he's an outsider, and I can get more into that later. But I think because we're reading the Covey story from the point of view of an outsider, it does feel a little bit weird, and we don't quite feel as immersed in the story as we could. I think a lot of people in the second half get very invested in Lucy Gray's story, but we're not immersed in her world, we're immersed in Snow's world. And unfortunately, Snow's headspace is very different from Lucy Gray's. I'm gonna talk more about the plot of this book, my thoughts, the characters, some Easter eggs, all sorts of things. So hit the follow button so you don't miss out on the rest of the videos.